everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change the background color of your Streamlabs donation page. First, go to streamlabs.com and open your dashboard. On the left side panel, look for the Earn and Grow section. Under that, click on Tipping to open your My Tips page. Below My Tips, you'll see 4 tabs. You'll start on Tip Methods. Click the next tab, Tip Page Design. You'll see 2 sections here. You'll see Content first. Then scroll down to find the Design section. Make sure you're in the Design section. Under Design, you'll see the option called Theme. It's set to Main Site Design by default. Click the drop-down and select Custom. The background color option will now become available. Click the text box next to it to enter your color code or use the color picker. I'll enter a code that's part of my brand. Choose whatever color fits your design. Once you're done, click the Save Changes button at the bottom left of the screen. A pop-up on the top right will appear saying that the settings have been saved. To check if it worked, scroll back up until you see the Your Tip Page section. Click the link to copy your tip page URL. Open a new tab, paste the link, and press Enter. Now, as you can see, the background color has changed to the one we selected. If you want to learn how to change the font style of your Streamlabs donation page, watch the next video.